This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both the texture zip and your device. Open ES File Explorer and allow storage access so you can navigate files. This is necessary for moving packs. Next, locate the downloaded. Zip in Downloads and tap to verify its contents. Once done, use ES to copy your existing resource packs folder to a backup location so you can restore if needed. Make sure to note Minecraft's version folder path while you're in the file tree. Now you'll move and extract the pack with ES File Explorer. Long press the texture zip, choose Move or Copy, and paste into Minecraft's resource packs directory. Common paths are games/Minecraft/resource packs or games/com. Mojang/resource packs. After moving, long press the zip and select Extract here so files are unpacked into their proper folder. You need pack, McMeta, and an Assets folder at the top level. If they're nested inside another folder, finish by launching Minecraft and enabling the new texture pack under Settings, Global Resources. You'll see it listed if ES placed files correctly. If the pack doesn't appear, return to ES File Explorer and confirm the pack folder contains pack, McMeta, and Assets and that it resides in the correct resource packs path. Also check storage permission. If the game crashes after enabling it, disable the pack and restore your backup, or download a version of the pack that matches your Minecraft release to avoid format conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.